Becoming a tax agent is one of the best moves you can make if you want control over your career, your income, and your time. But most people don't know where to get the right experience and how to start. That's exactly what we're going to break down. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how a tax agent program works, how much experience you actually need, and how we can help you get licensed without wasting your time trying to figure it out yourself. So, what do we do at the Accounting Academy, and how does it help you succeed? Our ultimate goal here is to help you get your tax agent license. That is the reason we have this program. But along the way, we help you build your practice, we build your skills, and we support your growth. Okay, we give you that real life experience and the hands-on experience with the tools that you need and the hours that you need to get your license. So what are the steps to getting your license and in the program? The first step is to get clients. Okay, so the goal is to get clients so that you can build your practice and get that experience. You do the work, the tax return to bookkeeping, whatever that work is. You get feedback along the way from us, me and my team, on where you're doing well and what things need to be improved. Ultimately, you get to lodge and learn at the same time. So you're earning while you're learning. And then at the end of the day, when you've got the required experience, then you can get your license. Okay? So we support you every step of the way. We give you advice and tips on how to get clients. We train you on all the practical stuff, like how to do the tax returns, how to do the work papers, and then ultimately sign off your license. So what do you get access to? We are a Xero firm, so you get access to the Xero suite. So Xero Tax, Xero HQ, Xero Work Papers. So all the tools you need to do tax returns and BASs. In addition to that, you get access to the ATO portal so that you can manage your clients and their taxes. And then you get access to our extensive training and resources. So that's online self-paced courses, webinars, knowledge-based articles, and other documents needed to succeed. So at the Accounting Academy, you get real life experience. So not only doing your clients' work, their tax returns, their bookkeeping, but also we have real life scenarios. So you walk through various tax returns from setting up a Xero file, doing the bookkeeping, things like payroll, maybe there's a tax plan papers and tax return, and submit it like a real tax return. So the reason we do this is, one, you get experience so you can start doing tax returns quicker. And secondly, that counts towards your license. So real life examples can count up to 15% of your license. So of that 1750 hours, 15% of that can be from these types of scenarios. Our goal is to get you the experience, but also get your license quicker. How long does it take? I get this question a lot. And the answer is, it depends. So it depends on a few things. It depends firstly on your qualification, and secondly on how much time you dedicate to the program. If you have a degree, it takes about 1750 hours, and that translates to about 200 tax returns. If you have a diploma, and it is double that, and that is per the experience requirements under the TASA, the Tax Agent Services Act, and the Tax Practitioners Board. So to give you an idea how we calculated those numbers, is a business return, typically a company, takes somewhere between 9 and 10 hours typically. And individual returns take about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the complexity. If they have things such as it's a sole trader, for example, or rental schedules, then that increases the amount of time you spend on each. So ultimately, the timeline depends on you. The faster you work, the more work you have, the sooner you get licensed. How is the training delivered? So like I said earlier, we give you as many resources as we can so that you can get up to speed quicker and learn quicker. Okay, tax is a very big area of the law, and you'll never know everything, but you need to be able to figure out how to solve the problems. Okay, so but we do give you everything we can, so that it's self-paced online courses, webinars, we've got knowledge-based articles. So we have the knowledge base where we break down complex tax law into easy to read and digest articles. We've got newsletters, we've got personalized videos, and we've also got one-on-one training with myself and my team. What's expected from you? You're expected to find and onboard clients, prepare the tax returns, apply the law, and most importantly, be proactive. Okay? So we help you every step of the way, but ultimately it's up to you to go and do the work. Okay? We're here to give you all the guidance and the resources you need to build a successful practice. You still need to go out there and do it. And what do? So the biggest thing that we do is ensure that we're compliant with the Tax Agent Services Act and tax law. Okay? And we supervise you. So we are registered tax agents so that we can supervise you under the Tax Practitioners Board. We provide you ongoing training and support, okay? So predominantly around the tax program itself, but if you need guidance on how to find and maintain clients, we can give you guidance on that. We do all reviews and we sign off all tax returns before they go out to the clients to be signed and before they're lodged. So nothing goes past us without us seeing it first and approving it. And guidance, like I say, we're here every step of the way. Our big thing is to help you build a practice and get the practical experience you need to have an accounting firm. But if you need help with guidance on marketing or sales or even mindset, we're here to help. We've done it all before. So how does the program work between you, ourselves, and the client? You become a contractor of the Accounting Academy and do all the work on your client. Your client signs a letter of engagement with us to ensure that we're complying with the Tax Agent Services Act. You do all the work on that client and we review it all before it gets lodged. One of the most common questions and one of the most important things in people's mind is who owns the clients. You own the clients. You own 100% of the relationship with your clients. We will never contact them unless, for 3 reasons, you ask us to, there's a legal issue, or there's a dispute that we need to resolve. Other than that, that client ownership is completely yours, and when you finish the program, those clients go with you. We don't retain any clients that you bring on board. Ready to take the next step? The first thing you do is complete the sign-up form. Once you've done that, we'll send you out the agreement outlining everything we've discussed. Once that's signed, you get access to all the tools you need. That's Xero, the ATO, anything else that we have. There is an onboarding course, so go ahead and complete that. It shows you how to set everything up and how everything works. Once you've done that, you can book a meeting with our team. So there's myself or my team to go through whatever you need to go through and the steps on getting started. And the biggest and most important thing is you can start working on your client straight away. Okay, so there is no delay between getting access to all the systems and then starting. It's very much up to you and how quickly you want to get started. If you're serious about becoming a tax agent and building your own practice, let's get you on the right track. Book a call or submit an inquiry form and let's get started today.